I think I'm gonna pick one. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6, 7. I don't know why. 7. 7 feels like the number for me today.
7?
I don't know why. 7's the magic number today. Maybe. Maybe. You don't know. Could be.
You picked it.
So am I going to be right?
So let me show you. Back in space.
Okay. Yeah, there's a little space back here.
Yeah.
Okay. Now because it's a bad guy, it changed red. So, I see. That's cool. I can't believe it. In all these cubes, I never noticed that until you pointed it out to me. How cool is that?
Yeah, and it makes the actual building such a difference.
Pretty good cereal also. Yeah, it does. It just kind of casts that red glow across everything. That's awesome. All right. Well, we were talking about the sky, but yeah, we got number 422 of Vader Order 66. You know, it's all right. Look, so there's 2 there, and
1 up here.
And 1 up here. So there we go. We've got 1 to keep in the package, and now we've got a spare for you guys. So, you know, keep your eyes peeled here. You know, one of these 2 will be up for grabs when we get trading. Very cool. And good catch. Hope everybody noticed that, right? The sky changes colors from when it goes to cube to packaging. And it makes sense, I guess, right? Because we don't know what's in the cube. So we get space sky. Then when we open the cube, we get red sky for Sith and blue sky for Jedi. So they have to put the space sky when the cube is there so they don't tell us what it's going to be.
Yeah. Right? And if you guys ever get like a Grail or Ultra Grail, tell us if it actually changes bad or good.
Yeah, well, I'm sure it's going to follow the Jedi or the Sith, right? The blue or the red sky. But yeah, it's kind of cool that everybody gets the space sky when it's a cube because we can't know what's in it yet. If they made a blue sky, we would know it's a Jedi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And if we made a red sky, we would know.
Yeah. But all that stuff happening with the spinning and the cube, I never even noticed. Good catch. Good eye for detail, little guy. Well, there you go. Watch the sky when you open your cubes, everybody. And we'll see you next time.